Experiential learning is a unique approach that allows students to learn by doing. Today, our grade 6 students experience what it feels like to be in middle school by joining grade 7 classes. Through this program, they not only observe, but also participate, interact, reflect on the learning process.
The balloon and the balloon will turn. Let's go!
Do we have this in our life? You want to add it? No. Okay,
I'm on holiday. We are going to the beach. See you next week.
It was very fun. It was so fun and the game made me happy. It was okay. I'm used to the school, so. I like the experience and the game is fun. It was fun and the game is also fun. I